On Wednesday there was a meeting devoted to home affairs issues. Today, on Friday, there is a meeting devoted to the justice area. I meet all the ministers of justice and we discuss different pending issues concerning the legislative process in the Council of the European Union. So one of the most important discussions we are having is the draft directive on insolvency. I think that we are having a great progress on this draft directive, and its adoption is quite important to increase the competitiveness of the EU economy, especially in the context of the Draghi report. We know well that because of yesterday's meeting of the European Council, but also because of the general situation, one of the most important issues is the accountability is the situation in Ukraine and the accountability for war crimes in Ukraine. We are going to continue discussion on this matter together with ministers of justice. There are a number of issues concerning the investigation of war crimes committed in Ukraine, documentation of evidence, cooperation with Eurojust, cooperation with International Criminal Court, as well as work towards establishment of the new special tribunal for the crime of aggression. We are also going to discuss conclusions of the Council of European Union on the applicability of the EU Charter of Fundamental Rights, and basically the Council is going into the direction of how European institutions should strengthen the operation of the Charter, as well as the role of non-governmental organizations, national human rights institutions, ombudsman in terms of promoting and enhancing the visibility of the EU Charter of Fundamental Rights. There are also some other legislative pending issues we are going to present, but I think these are the most important points that are going to be covered during today's Justice Council.